cellphone?
Aha. Ayun o, grupo sila may ha. Wow.
Yung ko kanina, lapit-lapit na isa. Mas ba, mas ba?
Halika na, let's go, let's go. May, it's time, it's about time eh.
Excuse me, is it English?
No, no habla español.
1 minute, please.
No, no, may. Ganun pala style nila. Yung sabi na ng driver na don't talk because may sinusulat sila. Yeah, no? You? That's it. Speak English, sabi ko no habla.
No, ganun na lang. Kasi no habla, nagsasalita. Kasi naintindihan mo siya eh. Kaya dahil sumagot siya eh. Ibig sabihin you understand the person.
Hindi tayo gagana may ha? Ito. Other side of the Eiffel Tower.
See?
Ang mga pili-pili ito.
छाता पड़ा भी सुना देगा नविता जी
Yeah.
Kijken wat er nog naar binnen gaat, joh. Nou, alles goed. Trabalhando na primária, certo?
Comme nous, si on est venu en Turquie. 2 mars, alors le chemin avec une 3 heures. Ay, ito lang pumuntahan natin, di ba?
Yeah, that's it.
Sinabi natin sa driver.
That's it. We can go home.
Wala tayong babayad sa kanyang euro.
Sana may ATM dito eh. I want to get the ATM.
Magpapabay kaya siya ng card.
I don't know. Saan? Dito siya.
Sana may dala siyang machine.
Dito siya iniwan mo, di ba? O sa kabila pa. Dito lang tayo sa side na ito eh. Yeah. That side over there. Yeah.
Saan yung sasakyan?
There, to the right. Whew, walking tour. No, not that one. Police, yeah. Those are the police. France police. Paris police. Wow. Ayun na sila, oh. Hinihintay tayo na. Whew. Me. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
All right, good.
Let's go. Go in pepper.
Oh, who goes first?
We are allowed to go. Wait for mama.
Yeah, wait for mama. That's your mother?
Yeah, mother.
Oh, mama.
Mama.
Mama, oh.